Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a bowl of soup. Let's start off by drawing our bowl with a really wide curve across the top like so. Then, another deeper curve across the bottom like so to make a shape that sort of looks like a lopsided football. Underneath our football, draw a wide bump like so for the bottom of the bowl. And inside, draw another really wide curve going across like so for the lip of the bowl. To start our soup, draw another curve across the inside like this. This looks like a bowl of water or milk right now, so let's add some stuff to our soup to give it some more detail. I'm picturing my soup as a tomato soup, so I'm going to garnish it with some cilantro. Start with a short line here for a stem, and a zigzaggy line that goes all the way around it for the leaf. Do that a few more times, drawing them at different angles to make a little lump of it floating in the middle. Then, add some really tiny squares scattered around it for some pepper or herbs. To go with our soup, we'll need a spoon. Start with a long, rounded handle sitting next to the bowl here. Then, add a big oval shape on the other end for the scoop. And along the bottom edge, draw some thin lines like so to give our spoon some thickness. We can also add some crackers to go with our soup with a really bumpy rectangle sticking out from behind the bowl here. Inside, add a few tiny comma shapes for the dimples in the crackers. And finish it off with a thin line along the bottom edge like so. Do that a few more times just behind it. A lumpy rectangle, the dimples, and the edge. The last thing we need to do is to put it all on a plate. Draw a really wide oval shape underneath everything, going behind the handle of the spoon here. Then, another thin line inside it for the inside edge of the plate. And now you got a bowl of soup. What's your favorite kind of soup? You can probably guess mine. But let me know in the comments. And check out these videos for more.